What's good, guys? Disney Syndrome here. 31 day poster challenge, day 18. Let's get it. Let's hop into the Discord real quick to take a look at today's triggers. We have the word spikes or thorns, Bushido, and emptiness. I'm more drawn to the spikes and thorns ones. I'm picturing a piece like really minimal, but some sort of like Swiss style design, but a bit more modern with a bit more edge to it. I don't know how to call this style. I've seen a few pieces here and there, but I don't know how the style it's called. Let's just hop into Photoshop and have a bit of fun with it, shall we? Let's get it. Okay guys, this is the final piece. I'm done with it. I'm not sure if I quite love it so much of the other pieces that I've done for the challenge, but it's done, which is the important thing for the challenge. Really, I need to keep on with my day. I'm glad that this is done. The end here is a strong, bold poster, but I don't know if I managed to do the thing and get the result that I really wanted. I played around with it, but hey, that's what we're here for, to just sit down, do the pieces, and develop really that discipline and that confidence to just sit down, do the work, move on, progress. So that's it, my guys. See you tomorrow, day 19. Fuck peace, wish you conflict. She